Hello guys, I hope you are well. In this video, we want to export STL from OBJ and FBX formats. Of course, you know that. This format is used for 3D printers and CNC machines. One of the features that our model needs for 3D printing is that it must have many polygons so that the result of our print is of high quality. Well, we want to do this in the Blender software. To do this, first, select all the elements of the environment and delete them by pressing the X button and selecting Delete. For example, we open one of our products that contains 30 columns. Copy the folder address and select Import OBJ from the File menu. Now paste the address in the open window. We select column number 2. By pressing the dot button from the numpad, we get close to the model. As you can see, our model consists of a small number of polygons so that you can easily use them in any project. We increase the number of polygons in our model with the help of a widely used modifier. For this, we open the modifier properties and add the subdivision surface modifier. You can increase the number of polygons by increasing the level value. If you want to see the final result, you must apply the modifier so that you can see the number of polygons. Well, as you can see, the number of our polygons has increased significantly and our model has become very soft and is ready for export. For this, we have to select the model, then select the export option from the File menu, and then select the STL format. We create a new folder named STL in the previous path, copy the folder address, and paste it into the software. Enter the name of the column and do not change the export settings. Press the Export STL button and wait. Very well, operation is complete. Now, if you look at the size of column number 2, you will see that it is 1.54 megabyte, and if you look at the size of its STL format, you will see that it is 339 megabyte. I will leave the link of this product below this video. You can visit and purchase it. I hope you enjoyed and hope to see you again. Good luck!